Okay, on this one, we have an infinity heat pump with a propane backup furnace. And apparently, propane's not working. Okay, I'm going to let the fan shut off and then make a call for heat from the propane furnace only. See what happens. Good light shed through that, so that's good. Wait for that inducer motor to come on. The blower's on for some reason. Not really sure why that came on when I made a call for heat right off the bat, but these Infinities will do some weird things. There it goes. That thing's ramping way higher than they usually do. I think one of these pressure switches are not closing. "3-2 flash code," that's pressure switch. Yeah, that's ramping way too high. It ramps up like that because it's trying to close that switch, I believe. So it just keeps ramping up and it never does close the switch. 3-2. Low pressure switch did not close or reopened. Indicates the low pressure switch input failed to close on a call for heat or open during minimum heat. Maybe we'll get my manometer, come back, hook it up, and see what I get on this hose. Okay, I got my manometer hooked in line. I just put a T here, so it's just coming right off the collector box like it always did. But I'm just going to throw a T here before it goes up to the pressure switches, so I can just have everything hooked up while monitoring what my actual vacuum is on my line. And then I will test with my voltmeter while I'm at it and see if anything's closing like my gray, rather. Okay, let's see, I got 0.27 on my gray wire. Let's see if it closes. .1, .2 right there. I'm only getting .3. I'm only getting .3. So that's not even enough to 0.3. That's not even enough to close my smallest one. Let's see here. Feel like there might be more crap up in here. That's just the the angle of this thing, I'm not sure. And my cleaning rod. Let's see here. .3 is all I got. Let's clean out. I'm going to pull this exhaust pipe off and see if that gives me a higher. That's going all the way through. Might be. Ooh, it sounds like stuff's falling down that pipe. That's not good. Sounds like stuff's coming down this pipe, so let me see what I can do here. I think it's solid too. That. Okay. I'll try it with this off. There we go. There's a lot of nasty stuff in there. God, he's got a bird in his flue. There's a bird in the pipe right here. Oh, never ends. Okay. And a bunch of junk up in here too that's pretty nasty. So I'm going to want to vacuum that out and see if I can get this bird out of this flue right here. Room for a coupling? I think I do. I'm going to have to cut this right here and get this bird out. Okay, let's get this thing cut. I looked down in the end of this pipe when I had it disconnected right here, and it looks like there's a bird somewhere in here. Might even be up in the 90, but anyway, let's get her cut out of there. I might have cut the butt off of that bird. Didn't really want to do that. Get something to put this thing in. There it is. Anybody know what kind of bird that is? Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Looks like we might have another one up in there. Those were I wonder if that was a maggot that I sucked in my mouth, because a bunch of those little tiny brown things, like what was in the flue the other day. There's another one. Please let me out of the pipe. That's terrible. Oh God, I hope there's no more. Vacuum that stuff out. Get all this out. Yeah, I cut his legs off. That's pretty much his butt. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna just hold this pipe intact like that. Just kind of hold it. Right there. And then we'll let this thing fire up. There it goes. Actually pulling. It's definitely going to fire now because it's not ramping up like it was. Waiting for our igniter. There's my igniter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and, I know it works now, so I'll go ahead and get this pipe cleaned out a little better. Inside here, kind of gross. So we'll get that cleaned out outside. Get rid of my little buddies here. You guys cost this owner a lot of money. And we'll put this all back together. I'm probably just going to put a coupling here and glue it all back together and test it one more time. flare off of here. But not anyway. Try to scrape as much of that bird crevice as I can out of there. Well, I did pretty good. Get a hair more here. That's the best you gonna get. It's not bad. Okay. Okay, we'll prime our couplings and pipe. Glue it. Screw that up. Look at this. Okay. Take all this. I actually raised this thing higher than what the factory is because the factory had an issue with getting grade from there to there with their knockout. So you gotta lift it even higher and then screw it in. There goes my inducer. Everything should work now. Everything back in its original place. supposed to do. Okay. We'll put this back in system and control instead of gas heat only. Heat source, system and control, save, done.
Oh, Henry, I loved you since the very first time I saw you fly by.
Yeah, girl, you all right yourself. You know, I never expected us to go out like that, but at least we went together.
Oh, Henry, you're the best.
Oh. Damn, girl, what happened to your butt?